Panibagong sagupaan mga tolang naganap at ito bagong-bago dahil ito'y naganap mga kapatid sa pagitan ng Thailand at ng Cambodia. Ayon dito sa report mga katola, nasawi ang 12 katao sa gitna ng matinding sagupaan sa pagitan ng Thailand at ng Cambodia. Nagpalitan ng putok at pambobomba sa gitna ng umiinit na border issue. Ito border issue to dahil magkakatabi yung mga bansa nila mga tol. So matagal na yan. Pero ngayon mukhang nagkapikunan na at dito na nga nauwi mga tol. Kaya yung mga yung mga nangyayari dito sa South China Sea, yung mga clash, mga ramming ng ginagawa ng China dito sa Pilipinas, nagpipigil ang Pilipinas kasi nga nagpapalakas tayo pero pwedeng mauwi yan sa mga ganitong klaseng pangyayari mga tol kapag lumala ang tensyon. Sa kahit saan naman mga tol So eto alamin natin itong detalye ng balitang ito mula rito sa Net25. Yan At bago natin to simulan, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin ng notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever na may mga bago tayong reaction video tulad nito. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin na natin to mga tol.
Patay ang nasa 12 kataong matapos mauwi sa palitan ng pamamaril at pambobomba ang umiigting na border disputes sa pagitan ng Thailand at Cambodia.
Magawa ng yan diba? Kasi hindi katulad ng bansa natin, 'di ba, napapalibutan tayo ng katubigan, wala tayong mga kadikit na bansa na border lang ang pagitan. Dito meron mga magkakadikit sila, diyan nagbabantayan yung mga sundalo nila. So dito mga tol, nagkakaroon sila ng agawan. Around 8 a.m. There were reports of gunfire. We are currently investigating and the details.
มีเสียงปืนเกิดขึ้นขณะนี้เรากำลังเข้าไปดูรายละเอียดนะครับพื้นที่เขากำลังทำงาน
We need more information as the situation requires caution and prudence.
แต่ว่าขอทราบ
Ito yung post 10:58 a.m. F-16 has deployed. Cambodian battalions 8 and 9 have been destroyed. Grabe, ano na to mga tol, gera na to. Panibago na naman. Ibang klase talaga ang nangyayari ngayon sa ating daigdig On the morning of Thursday, ito yung post ni Han Manet. On the morning of Thursday, kahapon lang yan mga tol, July 24, 2025 today. The Thai military launched an attack on Cambodian military positions at Tamon, Tom Temple and Tak Krabi Temple in Odar Minche province and expanded the geographical scope of the assault to the tribe border area. Cambodia has always adhered to a stance of resolving issues peacefully. However, in this case, we have no choice but to respond with armed force against this armed invasion. So ang nagsasalita rito mga tol is taga Cambodia. The royal government of Cambodia, relevant ministries, institutions, and provincial authorities, especially Cambodia Armed Forces, have been and continue to act with utmost determination and bravery in defending the nation's sovereignty. Diba? Agawan ng teritoryo pa rin ang problema. Territorial integrity. Yan ang madalas natin naririnig dito mga tol sa mga ganitong issue. And supreme interest both on the military and diplomatic fronts while also assisting fellow citizens affected by the Thai military's aggression at this time. Biruin mo mga tol, sumasagu pa rin ang Thailand. We call on all Cambodian brothers and sisters to place their trust in the royal government and our armed forces who are standing firm on the front lines to protect our territorial integrity. We urge everyone to remain calm, composed, and continue with their daily routines as usual. Pero yung mga hindi mo inaakalang bigla magkakaroon ng labanan, bigla na lang puputok isang araw.
การตอนนี้มันก็ต้องระมัดระวังนะครับด้วย
We need more information as the situation requires caution and prudence.
ด้วยความระมัดระวังและรอบคอบแล้วก็ต้องปฏิบัติ
And we must adhere to international law.
กฎหมายระหว่างประเทศนะครับ
Ayon sa Thai Defense Ministry, 6 na fighter jets ang kanilang inatasang magpatrolya sa naturang disputed area na pinag-aagawa ng dalawang bansa. Isa naman rito ay kanilang iniulat na matagumpay na binomba ang isa nilang target. Kinundi na naman ng Cambodia ang naturang pambobomba ng Thailand sa isang major road ng Cambodia kung saan tinawag nila itong malaking paglabag sa soberanya at integridad ng Cambodia.
F-16, no? Ito yung gustong bilhin ng Pilipinas, no? Tapos nagbabalak pa lang tayo, tinututulan na agad tayo ng China.
Currently, the Cambodian side has deployed heavy
Currently, the Cambodian side has deployed heavy weapons such as the BM-21 multiple rocket launchers.
weapons, such as the M21 multiple rocket launchers
English
and
naman pala.
122mm artillery, causing damage to Thai civilian homes and public facilities along the border, including their residential houses, as well as the border area development center in Gapchung district in Suri province. The Thai side has evacuated civilians from affected areas for safety. However, there have been 3 serious injuries,
Including 5
5-year-old boy
grabe.
and
Diba? Ito yung mga nakikita natin mga tol na nangyayari sa Middle East na sinasabi lagi natin, wag naman sana mangyari dito sa atin kasi kawawa rin talaga yung mga inosente, mga tol. O, halimbawa, katulad na lang yung sinasabi niya, baby pa, di ba, nadamay, 5-year-old. Kaya nga mga tol, di ba, yung ginagawa ng ating gobyerno na paggiit ng ating karapatan dito sa karagatan, kailangan talaga samahan nilang matinding pasensya habang hindi pa naman din tayo ganong kalakas.
and 1 death reported in the Phnom Dong Rak border community in Surin province.
Lagi ako nanonood ng mga Thai movie, no? Ito mga kamukha din ng mga Pilipino tong mga to, ito mga Thailander. Mga mukhang Pilipino rin tong mga to.
Ito na ang pinakamalaking pag-atake na isinagawa ng Thailand matapos ang ilang linggong pagtaas ng tensyon sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa. Nagsimula ang engkwentro sa pagitan ng Cambodia at Thailand matapos ang ulat na naputulan ng bahagi ng katawan ng isang sundalo sa Thailand matapos makaapak ng landmine na umano'y inilagay ng Cambodia sa isang disputed area.
Ooh.
Following, unfortunately,
So yun ang dahilan. Meron silang isang sundalo na naputulan ng kung ano man ang naputol doon, di ba, dahil nakatapak ng landmine na inilagay ng Cambodia. No, so doon nagsimula mga tol yung tension. Kasi nga border yan Kumbaga agawan pa yan disputed pa yan kung kanino pa bang part ng lupa tong Pero nilagyan ng Cambodia ng landmine at natapakan ng isang sundalo. So yun ang pinagmulan mga tol. And following unfortunately yet another landmine incident.
yet another landmine incident which occurred yesterday evening, 23rd of July 2025, where a
Kung titignan mo parang Pilipinas lang di ba?
further 5 Royal Thai Army personnel stepped on another landmine in Chom An Ma area, Ubon Ratchathani province. Again, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs condemns in the strongest terms this act as an egregious violation of Thailand's sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the Ottawa Convention.
Iniulat naman ng Thai Defense Ministry ang pagkasawi ng 12 katao. 11 rito ay sibilyano non-combatants at nasa 31 naman na tao ang sugatan. Wala namang opisyal na bilang ng nasawi o nasugatan na inilabas sa panig ng Phnom Penh. Ilang dekada nang pinag-aagawan ng parehong bansa ang ilang parte ng kanilang 817-kilometer shared border na madalas ay nauuwi sa engkwentro ng kanilang mga militar. Ang pinakahuling nangyari ay ito noong one-week war sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa noong taong 2011.
2011 pa mga tol. Yun yung pinakalas na may nangyaring one-week war dun sa kanilang pagitan, 2011 pa. Tapos ngayon 2025, ilang taon na nakalipas mga kapatid, di ba? So ngayon lang ulit pumutok itong basta mga ganitong dispute, di ba? Diyan talaga nagkakaproblema. Buti nga dito na-handle natin kasi nung magkaroon ng face-off sa pagitan ng militar ng Pilipinas at militar ng China, 2012 yun, dito sa may Baho de Masinloc. Pumagitna dyan ng US tapos atras tayo, atras din ng China para matigil yung tensyon. Pero hindi naman talaga umalis yung China. Bumalik ulit sila dun sa Bajo de Masinloc at talagang binakuran na nila yon mga tol. No? Inano na nila yon, sinakop na nila yon. At mula noong panahon na yon, ang tanging naging tugon ng Pilipinas mga tol is i-arbitrate yon. Dinala natin yon sa dahig. Sa PCA, Permanent Court of Arbitration, nanalo nga tayo noong 2016. Sad to say, magpahanggang ngayon, hindi natin napapakinabangan. Diba?
ยังไม่ใช่เรื่องการประกาศ
O sa kanila, eto, dispute din mga tol, pero nauuwi sila sa bakbakan.
สงครามตอนนี้เป็น
Right now, this is not about declaring war. This is about a clash. We are still seeking a resolution. So hindi pa daw ito pagde-declare ng gera. No, kumbaga clash lang to, banggaan lang to dun sa isang maliit. Pero F-16 na ginagamit no? Hindi pa gera 'yon.
กันแล้วก็พยายามจะหาข้อยุติ
Naghanap pa rin daw sila ng solusyon. The important thing is that we stand firm in defending our national sovereignty.
นะครับสิ่งที่สำคัญก็คือเรายืนหลักที่ว่าเราจะป้องกันอธิปไตยของประ
Protecting ourselves from aggression and ensuring our people do not
เท
suffer.
ศแล้วก็ป้องกันตัวเองนะไม่ให้ถูกลุกลามและไม่ให้ประชาชนเรา
We will not surrender our nation's sovereignty.
ประสบปัญหา เราไม่ยอม
We are fully defending ourselves and I affirm that the Thai government will take full care of our people.
สูญเสียอธิปไตยของประเทศเรานะครับเราปกป้องตัวเราเองอย่างเต็มที่แล้วอยากให้พี่น้องประชาชนและรัฐบาลจะรับผิด
And do
ชอบ
everything
ดูแล
with
พี่น้อง
our
ประชาชน
power
อย่างเต็มที่
under the
นะครับ
circumstances
แล้วก็
to the
กระ
best
ทำทุ
of
กอย่างเท่าที่เงื่อนไขเราทำได้อย่างสุดความสามารถ
Etong Cambodia, allies to ng China. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga magiging susunod na balita dyan. Alamin na lang natin mga tol sa susunod. Ngayon, bilang mga Pilipino, ano ang masasabi ninyo rito? Diba? Sa mga problema ng mga dispute na ganyan, posible talagang mauwi yan sa bakbakan. No? Comment ka na lamang sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shovel D. Peace out.